Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will show you step by step how to connect GitHub to Claude AI. So if you want to connect, you use a repository in Claude AI. Follow me in this guide. Go to your profile icon from here and then just wait. Go to setting option. From the setting option, you have this connector option. You have connected option and you have a GitHub integration. Click connect, this icon connect as you can see here. And then from here, just write your GitHub account to access your cloud. Go to your email account. I want to use my email account to receive a verification code, OTP. This is a verification, as you can see here. Copy your code and paste here. You will redirect, click authorize, and then you can connect it successfully without any problem. This is how you can difference. It is easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like, give share this video for more content and see you on other videos.